Okay, so I'm going to do a trade breakdown to explain my trade. So I'm still demo trading. So I took the position, but a demo. I didn't took it real. I will take a funded account in 1 month, something like that. I will see. So this one is a tape rating of the Nasdaq. We are the 12 September to 24. So let's see what's happened. Let's first of all, let's see on the higher time frame. So how we can see on the higher time frame before coming, we go to make our daily bias. So what we can see is that when I came in the market, it already swept the previous day high, and it was clearly impossible to take the previous day low. So then I went on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we could see that we had this fair value gap, which has been filled one time. So then going lower on the 1 hour, we can see clearly how it's the accumulation, and we can see how the market in the day has already expanding a lot to the upside. From the on the 30 minute, we can see that since the AM session, then it accumulate. Here we can see that it took this candle on 9:30, took all the liquidity here and expand. So when I came in the market, as the market was already expanding, and this candle at 9:45 took all the liquidity here, I wasn't sure about if the market would take another level of liquidity, so if it would come to the downside. So for me, the market would be, so for me, I came with a continuing going to the upside. So then, what's happened? We had this 50-minute fair value gap here. So going on the 1 minute, what's happened? The market opened right here, and how we can see the market was already expanding a lot, and how I said I wasn't seeing the market coming take this liquidity. So now what's happened is the market open right here for the market opening. It went to the upside, it made this market structure shift. We had this breaker. It went up for like 190 tick. Then it came and retested the breaker and the fair value gap. I put my stop loss somewhere around here, below these two things, the breaker and the fair value gap. And for my target, we had this 15. So we have this was more the magnet, and we have this 15-minute order block, and I aim for the 50% of it. And basically what's happened is it reached my target for a 1 to 4 risk reward. So basically what's happened during the trade is the market came, retest the fair value gap, starting to going to the upside, make this fair value gap, filled it, going really up, and now we can see it made a breakover gap because it left the fair value gap open, and then it's reached my target. But let's talk. So basically, if I would been trading that, I would have mainly take profit at a 3R. But let's see after that what's happened after that. So that was the trade breakdown. That was mainly that. So we had all the buyers align from the higher time frame to the lower. And basically what's happened then is we can see that it never crushed the breakover gap, and it mainly went higher. Now we can see how here it drop a lot, but basically we don't care about this part. It's the last hour of the market, but mainly that was the main part of the trade. It reached my target for a 1 to 4, but I would stop my trade here on a 1 to 3. But that was it. This was more of the magnet. Basically for the week I have been bullish for all the week, because we can see how we had the accumulation, manipulation, distribution phase. It accumulate on Monday, manipulate with the CPI, So the supply went to the downside, and now it's expanded. So my target for the week is this buy side liquidity, which I think will be hit maybe tomorrow, Friday, we'll see. But my bias was bullish. So that was a beautiful trade, but we didn't have a liquidity swept here. So it was not a A plus setup. I would put a B setup, C setup, but it was good. But I didn't expect market to come take a liquidity as it was literally expanding. So that was it for the trade, and thank you.